Hi, excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Pa. And you?
Oh, my name is Hương. How do you spell your name?
It is H-O-A. How about you?
It is H-U-O-N-G.
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old. And you?
20 years old.
Oh, 20. What do you do for work?
I'm student.
Oh, where?
At the university in Thailand.
Oh, what do you use your major?
Accounting.
Oh, me too.
How do you come from?
I come from Thailand province. And you?
I come from Thailand province.
Oh, what do you do in your free time?
I always listen to music and reading book. And you?
Oh, in your free time, I usually reading book, play badminton, and listening to music. Oh, what? Do you know what time is it?
Sure. At 5 p.m.
Oh, what did you say?
I said 5 p.m.
Oh, I have an appointment with my friend. I must go to now. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.